Because it'll make them sneeze. And that way they'll let go.
I've never heard of that.
I don't know what
I would think that the water would work.
I've tried ice water, real cold water. I tried a warm water.
So they were fighting for a while.
Yeah, probably about 5-10 minutes. Knocked over the lamps. That's what somebody said, get him
I tried to
pissed.
screw that back together just a little while ago.
Stop that male dog. Are you taking a video of him pooping?
I'm just taking a video of him in general.
Kirby's ear was bleeding. I don't know if it's all right now. It should be.
Patches looks like he was putting on some age.
Oh, I know.
I seen him earlier. I was like,
He got hit by a car. You knew about that, right?
yeah.
He can't get up or he acts like he can't
Kirby.
get out of bed anymore. But I guarantee if I let him out, he's going to run down the road.
When was the last time he got out?
What, one day last night?
Really? How far did he get?
Where'd we catch Patches at, Rick? I know Grandpa hadn't been out in a while. Is he alright?
Yeah, I just seen him. He's not doing too bad. But I guess he's down there throwing like chicken legs.